What if the universe is hiding galaxies that shouldn't even exist? NGC 1512, the Cosmic Eye Galaxy. Now picture this. You look into space, and something looks back. NGC 1512 seems ordinary at first. Then your focus shifts to the center, and everything changes. A bright, perfectly shaped ring forms what looks like a giant eye. Not an illusion. That glowing ring is a high-speed star factory. Gas is pulled inward, compressed, heated, and turned into new stars again and again. Like a hurricane, except instead of clouds, it's creating stars. Here's what doesn't sit right: the precision. Most galaxies are messy, uneven, unpredictable. This one isn't. The structure is too clean, too controlled. And that's exactly what confuses scientists. Something is organizing this pattern, but we don't fully understand what. And the moment you realize that, it stops feeling beautiful. It starts feeling designed. And if this feels like it's watching you, the next galaxy doesn't just look wrong, it moves wrong. NGC 4622, the Backward Galaxy. Something here feels off. NGC 4622 looks calm, almost perfect. Then you follow the spiral arms, and the illusion collapses. They're moving the wrong way. In most galaxies, arms trail behind rotation, like water circling a drain. Predictable, consistent. Here, they do the opposite. They lead. It's subtle, but once you catch it, you can't unsee it. So what caused this? A past collision is one possibility, something that disturbed its structure. But even that doesn't fully explain what's happening. Because reversing motion like this isn't just unusual, it challenges the rules we rely on. And when the universe breaks its own patterns, it's rarely random. It's telling you something. And if this feels like a glitch, the next galaxy doesn't just bend perception, it splits it. NGC 3314, the Overlapping Galaxies. At first glance, it looks like one galaxy. It isn't. NGC 3314 is two galaxies, perfectly aligned from our point of view. One sits in front, The other lies far behind. Across the vastness of space, they line up almost exactly. That alone shouldn't happen this cleanly. But here's where it gets interesting. The front galaxy acts like a filter. Its dust blocks and dims the light coming from the one behind it. For astronomers, that's rare, because it reveals how light is absorbed in space with unusual clarity. Think of tinted glass over a bright light. You see both, but one changes the other. And in a universe this large, this kind of precision feels almost unreal. Coincidence? Or probability playing out over unimaginable scales? Either way, it doesn't feel normal. And if this looks like a simple alignment, the next galaxy shows what happens when structure completely falls apart. NGC 3256, the Chaotic Merger Galaxy. This isn't a galaxy anymore. It's a collision caught in time. NGC 3256 is what remains after two galaxies slammed into each other. Not a smooth merge, pure disruption. Their original forms are gone, replaced by stretched, twisted, broken structures. Here's the part most people miss. Stars almost never collide. The distances are too large. But gas doesn't get that luxury. When these galaxies met, their gas clouds crashed head-on, compressed under gravity, and triggered intense waves of star formation. Like two storm systems colliding, only here the storm creates stars instead of rain. That's why it glows so intensely. But look closer, and the damage is obvious. Nothing is balanced. Nothing is stable. It's a system still trying to settle, and failing. And what makes it unsettling isn't just the destruction, it's how fast it happens. Billions of years of structure, undone in a single event. Order isn't permanent, and if this feels like chaos, the next galaxy doesn't look broken. It feels wrong in a quieter way. NGC 4696, the Ghostly Galaxy. This one doesn't look alive, it looks abandoned. NGC 4696 has no clean structure. Instead, it's filled with dark, thread-like filaments, stretching, curling, drifting like smoke through space. But this isn't random. At its core sits a supermassive black hole. As matter falls inward, it releases enormous energy, pushing gas outward and twisting it into these ghost-like patterns. Imagine smoke rising, except this smoke stretches across thousands of light years. Here's what shouldn't happen. It doesn't disappear. These filaments should break apart and fade, but they don't. Something is holding them together, most likely powerful magnetic fields. And that's where it gets strange. Because this isn't violent, it's controlled. Something is constantly shaping this galaxy, quietly, steadily, beneath the surface. You don't see destruction, you sense it. And if this quiet tension feels unsettling, the next galaxy doesn't hide the damage, it puts it on display. NGC 2276, the wind-torn galaxy. No impact, no collision, yet something is tearing this galaxy apart. NGC 2276 looks stable on one side, clean, structured, almost untouched. Then you shift your focus, and everything changes. The other side is stretched, distorted, stripped away. So what's doing this? Not another galaxy, something invisible. NGC 2276 is moving through extremely hot, dense gas inside a galaxy cluster. As it pushes forward, that gas pushes back, creating a force called ram pressure. You can't see it, but the effect is undeniable. Think of sticking your hand out of a fast-moving car. The air hits hard, even though there's nothing there. Now imagine that force acting on an entire galaxy. Gas gets stripped away, especially from one side. And without gas, star formation begins to shut down. It's not being destroyed instantly, it's being erased, slowly. And that's what makes it disturbing. Nothing is grabbing it, nothing is crashing into it, yet it's still falling apart. And if something invisible can do this much damage, the next galaxy proves that silence can be just as powerful. NGC 2841, the Lonely Giant Galaxy. No chaos, no collision, just silence. NGC 2841 looks perfect. Clean arms, stable structure, nothing out of place. And that calm is the problem. Because this galaxy is massive, yet barely forming new stars. That shouldn't happen.
In most galaxies, more mass means more gas, and more gas means more stars. Here, that process has slowed almost to a stop. It's like a fully stocked kitchen, with no flame. So what's holding it back? The gas may be too hot or too stable to collapse. And without collapse, stars never form. Everything just stays suspended. And that's what makes it unsettling. Nothing is broken, everything is restrained. Its isolation might explain part of it. No nearby interactions, no disturbances. Just a system evolving quietly, but not the way it should. And when something this massive goes quiet, it raises a deeper question. What else is changing in silence, without us noticing? And if this calm feels unnatural, the next galaxy looks familiar, but hides something far more complex beneath it. NGC 7331, the dark twin of the Milky Way. This one feels familiar. NGC 7331 mirrors the Milky Way. Same spiral shape, bright core, wide arms filled with stars. For a moment, it feels like you're looking at home, from the outside. But that feeling doesn't last. The deeper scientists study it, the more differences emerge. Its core is heavier, more active, more intense than expected. Even the way light moves through it points to a denser, more complex structure beneath. On the surface, it matches. Underneath, it doesn't. Think of two identical cities. Same streets, same skyline, but completely different systems running below. That's what makes this galaxy unsettling, because it suggests something simple. Similar doesn't mean the same. So if a galaxy like ours can exist in another form, how unique is the Milky Way really? And more importantly, how much of the universe have we misunderstood? So these weren't just galaxies, they were signals that the universe is far stranger than it looks. And if this is what we've already discovered, what's still waiting out there? If you found this interesting, subscribe, because the next discovery might be even harder to believe.